Good morning to all. Today we will see about 6th English Prose 1 Sea Turtles Section 2. Before enter the topic, just recall Section 1. Section 1 we have seen difference between tortoise and turtle. Turtles live their entire life in the sea. There are 7 species of sea turtles present in the world. 5 found in India. The olive ridley, the hawksbill, the leatherback, the loggerhead, the green sea turtle. Leatherback is the largest sea turtle, weighs up to 700 kg. The smallest one, olive ridley, weighs up to 35 kg. The olive ridley, most commonly seen in shear source of a Indian and other 4 species, are rare to see. And also we have seen about the author Shekhar Dattatri. Now let's see the lesson section 2. Between the months of January and March, female olive ridley come ashore at night to lay their eggs. This is quite a problem for them as the turtle's front flippers enable it to swim gracefully and effortlessly. Flippers means flat limbs used for swimming but are not very useful for moving on land. The month of January and March, female olive ridley comes at night to lay their eggs. But it has some problem because sea turtle has front flippers. Front flippers used to swim gracefully and effortlessly in the sea, but are not very useful for moving on land. The turtle has to haul itself laboriously onto the beach. Haul means pull with force, laboriously, with great effect. Then it chooses a spot well away from the high tide line. High tide line means the sea on a shore at the highest point of a tide. Here it scoops out a nest cavity 45 cm deep, into which it lays about 100 eggs. Cavity means a hollow space. Each egg is in the shape and size of a table tennis ball. Once all the eggs are laid, the turtle fills in the cavity. Then it camouflages the nest by tossing sand on it using its flippers. Camouflages means hide something or covered. After a bit of confusion, sea turtle chooses spot well. It makes a cavity of 45 cm deep. It lays 100 eggs. Each egg size and shapes like the table tennis ball. Once all the eggs are laid, the turtle fills in the cavity with the help of front flippers and hides the eggs under the sand. Then it returns to the sea. The eggs are left to incubate under the warmth of the sun. Incubate means hatch eggs using warmth. In many places around the world, local people follow the tracks of the turtle to its nest. They collect the eggs for eating. Jackals, domestic dogs and pigs too dig up and eat the eggs by following the scent left by the turtle. Those eggs that escape such people and predators hatch 45 to 60 days later. Predators means animals that kill other animals for food. Once it fills the cavity, the turtle returns to the sea. The eggs are incubated under the warmth of the sun. But it has some problem in hatching. In many places around the world, local people follow the track of the turtle nest and they collect the eggs for eating. Jackals, domestic dogs and pigs too dig up and eat the eggs. After 45 to 60 days later, the eggs are hatching. The hatchling slash open the leathery eggshell with the help of a tiny egg tooth. Slash means cut. This is like a razor blade at the tip of a hatchling's snout. Snout means pointed nose of an animal. When most of the eggs have hatched, the hatchlings push themselves upwards through the sand and emerge on the surface of the beach. Emerge means come out. From here, they make a hurried dash to the sea. The eggs are opened with the help of a tiny egg tooth that is called razor blade. Most of the eggs have hatched. The baby turtle struggle out of the nest and move towards on the sea. Aribada. One certain nights during the nesting season, thousands of female turtle come ashore simultaneously to lay their eggs on a particular beaches. It's called aribada. It's also called mass nesting. Sea turtles book back unexpected questions. First one, female olive ridley comes ashore at night to lay eggs. Second one, the eggs of an olive ridley are the shape and size of a cricket ball. Third one, ridleys come to lay their eggs in the month of January. Fourth one, the turtles use their flippers and make a hollow for their nest. Fifth one, the hatchlings use a tiny egg tooth to come out of the eggs. Write the correct statement. Synonyms in section 2. White, completely, gracefully, beautiful, problem, hardship, haul, pull, laboriously, strenuously, choose, select, spot, place, scoops, digs, cavity, hollow, camouflages, covers, predators, killers, slash, cut, tiny, small, tip, top, snout, nose, surface, floor, emerge, appear, hurried, quick. Antonyms in section 2. Night, day, female, male, particular, general, front, back, enable, disable, swim, sink, gracefully, awkwardly, effortlessly, strenuously, useful, useless, haul, push, laboriously, easily, away, near. Evaluation. How does the female turtle lay its egg? What is mass nesting or aribada? What are the threats to the eggs of sea turtles? In next video, we will see section 3. Thank you.